This is another Cat Rescue Center video. We're going to discuss how to set up a protecting cage. Let's assume that you are in a cage. Do you feel exposed right now? Predators can still come at you, right? Now you've got a little bit more protection. You've got a safe place here that you can sit. In the same way, these cats are exposed on at least two sides. These towels now simulate what it's like to be under some bushes. Got some cover from above, and you can see underneath. So we are keeping these cats here. They're feral cats, but they're receiving some treatment, medical treatment for their eyes. Thank you for watching another Cat Rescue Center video.